Anybody tell me what's happening here? No, don't make me get close enough to get pecked. Alright, I ain't getting that close again. Yep, she's going broody. I pulled the eggs that was out from underneath her. Got pecked up. She's got a mean peck too. And pulled the eggs out. Pulled the little fake egg out. That's why there's two in that one. Then I went and marked 12 eggs. Got pecked up some more. Slid them under her. And we'll let her nest on 12 eggs. Imagine whenever I'll let her stay there. I don't know, I might build a nesting box and lock her in the little room here. And let her brood out 12 chicks in there. The little young gold lace roosters, they sleep on the big roost bar with everybody else, so yep, I'll probably build her a nest box and let her brood up in there. But that's today's news, folks. Y'all have a good day.